how to turn on or turn off prefer horizontal text in languages that support vertical text on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, locate the settings icon and tap on it. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on display and text size. Then we scroll down and tap on prefer horizontal text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is on, your phone will prefer horizontal text in languages that support vertical text. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.